When you first get into Preda Manual, you'll be greeted with this screen. It is a blank default template with a manuscript, which you could put chapters or other books, a grid, which you can put your plot grid, and under the grid there are rows of times and columns of plots, which you can also see as cards, and general notes about your book. People, places, things, terms, magic, and any other things you want to discuss from your book or keep track of. So you could start on chapter 1 and just start typing. And let's say if you wanted to add a person, you can right click on people, create, and click on card child, and it'll create a new card which you can edit. So I'll call this Peter, and I'll put a little something about him. And you could do that for any chapter. You are free to just right click and create a card as a child or a sibling. You can move them. You can edit as a pop-up. So here you can have the general editing, or you can choose an icon, choose a color, or you can just edit the content here instead of the paper view. And if you had just had a loose note or something just came in your mind, you can click this plus sign here and it'll just create an unsorted card. So let me click that. It'll create a new one in a category called unsorted. And I can write whatever I want. So PlotGrid.app, you are free to add new things on your own. It is loose. You can change things. You can drag and drop to anything in your tree grid. And hopefully you make your novel, and hope you have a great time with PlotGrid.app. Thanks a lot.